Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the 4G Plus speed test and the download test comparison between the Poco F3 GT versus the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So in this kind of demonstration, I'm trying to use a vSIM card as an example. Let's see, using the vSIM card, which is the idea. So which phone will be having the better 4G speeds and the download test. So this is an extreme indoor type in the studio room environment. So there's a two different testings which I'll be trying to do. One is the indoor, one is the outdoor. So outdoor I'll try to do in the later video. So first let's focus on the indoor. How is the 4G place and how is the 4G connection in the indoor condition? That is what I'm going to exactly show you in this video. So first, as usual, let's start with the basic band. So which phone is connected to the what kind of bandwidth? That is what I'm going to show you. So right now the 4G, as you can see in the idea 4G plus, sorry, you're not getting any kind of 4G plus, I am get only 4G. So there is no aggregation. So one more thing, in my area 4G plus on the vSIM it's not supported at this moment. No, I cannot get, not only in this phone, even in other phones I cannot get in my location. That's the one thing which I can say that. So right now, as you can see, there is no carrier aggregation as well. So these are quick details on this phone, and it's a OnePlus Nord 2. Let me show you what is the band which I'm trying to get in the OnePlus Nord 2. In the OnePlus Nord 2 I'm getting about close to I think 3G. That's kind of where, as you can see, sometimes as you can see 3G I'm getting, but later on I think it may shift to the 4G as well. So depending upon the signal, it will try to change from the 4G to the 3G as well. So there is another video which I uploaded how to exactly force use the 4G. If you want, you can check that video to force use the 4G, but in this video I'm not going to use any kind of forced use the 4G at all. So one thing you can do, let me try to show you friends what to do. So sometimes if you try to turn on the airplane mode, and if you again turn it back on, as you can see, so you may get the 4G signals. You can see the 4G signals, and suddenly, because if the signals are really low, then from the 4G it will automatically shift to the 3G by itself. That's the one thing you should definitely understand. So I'm trying to show you exactly what is happening in the OnePlus Nord 2. But in the Poco F3 GT, constant I'm getting the 4G plus. So without any kind of thing, as you can see. So it's showing 4G right now, as you can see friends, exactly. It's showing 4G, but after some time, depending on the signals, it will try to shift back to the 3G as well. So let's see, first let's download the game from the Play Store. Let's see which phone will be able to download it faster. That is what I'm going to exactly mention in this video. So let's download this game, which is called Hill Climb Racing. The size is about close to 57 MB is only the size. So it's very small size, only 57 MB. So it should not take much time to download. But meanwhile, let's focus on the speeds on the notification bar. So the notification bar, you can see the speeds, how much both phones are able to get using the vSIM card. This is indoor testing friends, extreme indoor testing I'm trying to show you. As you can see, these are the results between both phones. So both phones are able to get that kind of 250 kbps and close to 250 kbps, even with the 3G plus as well in this phone, as you can see clearly. So in my studio, in the indoor conditions, the vSIM card, which is idea, which is very low in terms of the connection, it's not that great in the indoor condition friends. So that's the one thing which I will definitely address you. So if you want, I can definitely do the outdoor testing as well, but this is the extreme indoor testing which I thought of just showing you the results, what is happening. Poco F3 GT, it's staying exactly in the 4G only, and the OnePlus Nord 2 staying in the 3G plus. You can see the difference how it is. I think the Poco F3 GT will be able to finish this kind of download test faster using the vSIM card at same location at same time. These are the results you are getting, as you can see friends, comparing side by side. So I did do plenty of testing with the Realme X1 Max as well. If you want, you can take a look at the Realme X1 Max playlist. You can definitely find those videos. But right now, at this moment, I think the Poco F3 GT will be able to download this game faster, as you can see, than the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So in case if you want me to do another video which way to force use the 4G place and then do it, then I'll definitely try to do that video as soon as possible. So only depending upon the request only I'm trying to do this kind of videos friends. So the Poco F3 GT finished the download faster than the OnePlus Nord 2 device. You can clearly see that, and still the OnePlus Nord 2 is at 50% only. So as I said, that can be because of the 3G plus signals, I'm not sure, but exactly it's one thing. So sometimes if I see this kind of problem, I will be doing the aeroplane mode and trying to turn on and turn off. So sometimes I may get the 4G, sometimes I may not get the 4G. But let me try to do the last time. So one more time I'll try to do, and then I'll try to start the speed test. Anyway, I'll try to proceed with this kind of testing only. So I just want to see, using the 4G SIM, how much difference can it be there? Can the phone, it's not there, I think it's in the 4G, but for some time, and it's still thinking to be in the 4G or not. Yes, right now it's in the 4G. Let me try to do the test again. Let's see this time. It's fantastic. Let me try to uninstall the game at same time I'm trying to install again. It's gone. It just shifted to again, I think 3G. As you can see friends, I thought of doing that test first but not. So no problem friends, I'll try to continue with the speed test only. Let's see the speed test results, what will be there using this kind of right now I got the 4G. It's fantastic. Wow, I got the 4G. Let's see, I'll try to go back to the menu. I'll try to open the Play Store and I'll try to download at same time. Let's see whether this 4G will be, it's going again back to 3G. I'm not sure what is happening, but it's not staying consistently. I'm not getting 4G in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So I'll try to do another test comparing with another OnePlus 8T. I'll just want to see OnePlus 8T and this phone, how it's there in terms of the connectivity. I'll try to mention those, but let's continue without wasting any time. Already I took a lot of time of yours, so let's continue this speed test. Let's see in the 3G whether this application will be able to open or not. Sometimes with the low signals it may not work. I need to use different application, which is a fast application. No, I think it's not detecting. I'll try to use different application. Yeah, it detected. Let's start. So this is a vSIM card, vIndia, and the right now the finding server. So yes, both are same servers. Let's start the test at same time. So this with the 4G and this with the 3G plus. So this is the extreme situation friends, this is the extreme indoor situation. That is the reason I'm trying to mention you all these details. So this phone can get, obviously 4G it can get no problem at all, but in this kind of extreme situation the Poco F3 GT was able to get the 4G consistently. It did not even change one time to 3G, not even once. That's kind of strange, not even once. This test has been stopped in this phone. In the OnePlus Nord 2, it did not continue. I'll try to use another application. Let me try to use different application. I think the application name should be Fast. So yes, let me download the Fast. At least let me download Fast at same time. Let's see which will download the faster. So this is a very small MB, only 426 MB, so it should not take much time. So this application, another speed test application which I'll be using, so mainly to test. If the speed test application doesn't work, this application will work even in the low speeds as well. That is the reason I thought of just testing. So now let's see friends, using this fast application, which phone will have the faster speed. So let's start at same time. So 1.5 Mbps and 570 kbps I'm getting in this phone in the OnePlus Nord 2, and 1.9 Mbps in this phone, not bad. As you can see friends, let me show the RX Monitor application. So I'm trying to use the same vSIM card only, vSIM card, as you can see, same vSIM card only I'm trying to use. I'm trying to show you exactly what SIM I'm trying to use friends, so you should know exactly. I'm trying to use only the vSIM card during this process of demonstration. As you can see, slightly advantage if you have the 4G and you will have the voice over LTE as well. That's another advantage for the voice calls. You can have HD voice calls. And right now I'm trying to do the speeds again, and this time also same results. So I'm not sure why I used to get the 4G, but this extreme condition friends, this is extreme. That is the one thing which I'm trying to mention again and again. So only that's the reason I'll be able to get only 3G plus. But in this Poco F3 GT, that's kind of good, I would say. Definitely it's not going at all to the 3G at all. It's only staying at 4G. That's strong. So I need to do plenty of research on this OnePlus Nord 2, what is happening in the connectivity. I'll try to do. So next test, I'll try to, maybe today I'll try to upload using the same vSIM card. I'll try to use in the OnePlus device. This is another OnePlus 8T device. I'll try to see what is happening in the OnePlus phone as well. So these are the speed friends quickly, as you can see clearly, using the vSIM card in both phones. These are the results I'm getting. These are the extreme indoor type situation only I'm trying to create. That is the reason. And I'll be back with another comparison as well between both phones using the 4G, so which is outdoor type of testing. Then you'll be able to understand what are the complete results. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, check the links in the description for more videos as well. Until then, bye.